Hello friends, in this video we'll discuss list in R language. Lists are R objects which contains element of different types like number, string, vector, another list inside it. List can also contain a matrix or a function as its element. List is created using list function. In this video, we'll see how to create a list and how to merge the list with the help of example. So, here first of all, we'll check the current working directory. The current directory we are working. First of all, we'll clear the workspace. Here we consider one CSV file, that is student marks CSV file. We are reading that CSV file and storing it into one variable, that is student, with the help of read function. Then to view the student contents of student, we can use the function view. By view function, it will display the content of student marks file in a variable student like this. Then we'll create a sub data from the given student file. In this, we are just considering first three values with respect to names and marks with the function C function, which is as like this. Then for this sub data, we are creating it as a matrix with the help of function as dot matrix and sub data, and name of the matrix is matrix A. We'll check the contents of matrix A. So matrix A is nothing but, as we are mentioned, first three rows with respect to names and marks. So Anuj, Praveen and Kishore's data is displayed, is there in the matrix A. Then next we are creating one vector with the help of C function, which range from 1 to 5. So my vector contains 1 to 5 elements. Now we'll create a list of this student. Student is nothing but students contain the contents of CSV file. Matrix A contains only 3 rows from the student, and my vector contains 1 to 5. For this student, then matrix, and for this vector we are creating one list with the help of list function. Then to give the name for this list parameters, we can use the function names, and first, that is student, we are considering as a data frame, matrix A considered as a matrix, and last my vector is considered as a vector with the help of names function. Then we display my list. It will print this name with these names, that is contents of CSV file is as a data frame, then contents of matrix as a matrix, and vector as a my vector as a vector with elements 1 to 5. Now we'll see, if we want to only check the contents of data frame, we can write my list $data frames. It will display only data frames. If you want to display the second element of the list, that is matrix contents, it is like this. If you want to display the second elements, second column, it will display this 70, 80, 70 and 40 as a my list. Now we'll see how to merge two lists. So first list, my list, is already with us. We'll create one more list, that is list simple with string 1 to 3. Then merge list, my list is merged with list simple with the help of merged dot list function. Then by printing merge dot list, it will show us first of all contents of my list and then contents of simple list, that is 1, 2 and 3. We'll see one more example. We will create one more list, my list 1, same as student, matrix A and vector, and we are merging my list and my list 1, means same list gets merged to each other, and after this we are getting the merged format. At this first times it will showing merging my list, content of my list as data frame, matrix and vectors, and second is names, my list 1, that is first contents of CSV file, then matrix and then vectors. That's all for this about the list. Thank you for watching this video.